and sembe brain abubaba. But I always say Ghana, before GACV, we are in to raise the image of God, not to tarnish image of anybody. And now, before GACV, and yet channel a day as so sebi and so we praise the people who raise the image of God. And me ko Aben FM, and it was great. You could draw on. It was marvelous. People were just, happy to welcome me there, and I was very glad. And I wish you were there or you were around listening to the program. God bless you. Legends, I'll call them legends. They need to be celebrated because I've always been saying, before GATV, and yama pa, we are the pa, Yebeka, we are the Bonia, Yebeka, and these two legends, they need to be celebrated, and these two legends are. Salam before GATV, the name still remain Obofo Bakope. Like I was saying, the name OB4 GATV is Obofo TV. And Obofo TV, I'm fat, profane, and some who and sebi. And friend, me, I've always been saying, if you ask Schwarzenegger and Kwasi Adia or Yen and say, I will not talk about it because I see, say, it is unnecessary. Say, if you ask Schwarzenegger, person or not, said the whole Ghana, and the no pen or person, we won't talk about. We are man hype nibio. Say, Sebi. The obeyen who be awanye, and I know se Ghana and penny forward. Se obabe say to me sorry, ebejina, e de soka machine hoso, e brunuya, na penny for ye bet na wa share. Se onye sa de no nkwa. Yemu say, what are the impact or the bebe in life? The youth no more ban krano mum they are learning. And then akrabia so camera no di peninatem. Akrabia so camera no di peninatem. Yebusa say, when was the last time you honor your legends? When was the last time you honor your heroes? When was the last time you honor your enkophobia or more page from one place to another? The only thing Ghana and your idea was say bringing people down. See you gunkofu ni mase. Yes, enkofu abrabo enunko we better social media no aka. Look at this, a whole chairman. Na if you ask Schwarzenegger better was say on any die no what it sebi. Look at this. Is it what the nation Ghana need? That is the reason why I was talking about Ghana is sick. If Ghana is not sick, these people would have been rebuked and wasn't company for a picky not what to do with them because and simple it's no advisable say I was say a man about public NCA where are you because you near maybe how you have to work on it because yes the new generation of mobile they will pick this is just by the way may say there were two legends I need to celebrate them today. First, before I will celebrate this legend and I will say happy birthday in advance to Prophet Dr. Inti Michael of Word of Knowledge Church. I think Takura de branch, yeah. Takura de branch. God bless you. And now was your birthday. And I name nipa mienu legends mienu ambe celebrate on bako edide. Papa J. Ena bako susu dinde. Bishop JK Efrifa, popularly known as Passion. The reason why I never celebrate you, no, share me say OB4 GHTV. I don't do favoritism. Oye Papa America, oye Bonnie America, and they have done things be the two legends, they have done things be at Tachimakoma. Mama yenko tie the first from Bishop JK Efrifa of Word of Knowledge Church. The head branch in Odumpase. Mommy Yanko Tiasem, the Tiasem we are. You know the reason why OB4 GHTV may say he need to be celebrated. And there are some people and Pastor Senibi Batana social media, the only thing they say is may a powerful my pain, my essay. And these people, only small people, only a legend, but you don't hear them talking. But when they talk, and some of the say this is a legend speaking. Mommy Yanko Tie. Reason one. This man of God need to be celebrated. Share on my way do level be and you must be saying here words of encouragement because on minor do level be the country is sick and the only people who can heal the nation are the men of God because when men of God speaks them we are say dead and let yentia sama wakaya enu nti me say he need to be celebrated me nti na asem no
eradim enti enasem America kire nipa dom nyina ne say all of us say yam fa ya wire nsi Nyankopon ne me Nyankopon nyi da so ne hwe Nyankopon de be e kira kwai na Job ka asem bi say sanka yamia e ke ma hwe Nyankopon e kira kwai
Oh Jesus.
na me de masama e de be ama no so anapobi tie me a minnim hawo a onamu minnim amane a onamu ana minnim atete a onamu ana minnim enoma e shaw so e wabrabum but God was sama okae no ana minnim ne de ya adwene ne de akase sanka menne wo a kama shawrade na kama de mansam nyina e de be ahye nsa eti enna anopai de wo famu no de wo namu no de wo hunu no de etete wo no de aba so no de ato wo no masam se hwehwurade na fo asem nyina de be ema no kuma de konta Job 14:7 say Dion body that's what say you trying to stop at them na ni hini to say ensuranti ni hini na enchenchim from na no ba so de be emo no so me person me show nkura say there is hope for the living when you pray and I was saying some man in the Sobian de be and in Subium it mra what yes there is hope for you it abrabon and catchy said you who no a change in Asia Bible say China beche and kaho fire sherimu manyo ni da so manyo kamafo manyo oboafo na sufre sanyame no na de wo famu biara de wo namu biara de etu obiara de etiti obiara etobet my day etwa oni bibi David ka sambi bompa ye bi aka kire wode se ke betimi a na hito fa gina tuo edro ba bia eden no David no a wayekofo no a David no okum Goliath no David no a akofo nyina hyene nsam no David no a wotimi aka edom hyene nase David no sisire wotimi wana no no David no wotimi kum jata no ewi ase no no dwana kwatene nwuram medru ba bia ote se ono ankasa ne hu nipa na danfo a otufu a sire nyame akasa no ya hito fem akode ne ba Amson chino Bible say de nyina se David atena ase anwode ne nsem eko nyame nim internasem a odi ko Nyankopon nim na wakan nyina ne se awrade senka ebetumi a ma hito fa gina tu anya nkwase asem the person woti ase nyina ne se ena anopai mo wone mmere baabi a wo bia na bompa ye se so mu bia la asorati abrabo atumfo bia la asorati abrabo atamfo bia la asorati abrabo fa wasam no shawrade nsa na ka che wa ne se wo ma hito fa gina tu anya nkwase asem ena anopai no hito fa bia ewo abrabom bia no wo hito fe no akoya walesem ana asoreti abrabom bia no wo hito fe no akoya adwuma sem a ayabasa bia hito fe no akoya nkofo bi ono motifia o masoreti abrabom no o mo ka ho nsem ese wadwuma eke abrabom hye bia hito fe no akoya wo bia o to oduro sabe abrabom be sem but enna anapem awrade sem men kan kira wo se bompa ye sem na hito fe gina tuo hito fe ejina tuo hito fe ejina tuo hito fe ejina tuo hito fe ejina tuo
Jesus
hito fe ejina tuo hito fe ejina tuo hito fe ejina tuo hito fe ejina tuo
yes Lord
me no ka say empire na yebo no me pesa wo ti asire
yes
me ka say nyina no hase bompa
oh Jesus
ana nya me ka
audio no wa God bless you, man of God. God bless you, man of God. Audio Newa. If all men of God are giving words of encouragement, a man sema be motivated the spirit of people, and Ghana will be a better place to be. And I may call Aben the same topic I'm handling. Me glance through social media and I'm so popping up and say, wow, what a prophecy. A rade. Ayi to fe ejina tu enya nkwase asem ebia na yi to fe ejina tu no ye problem odwuma asem a wo fam ebia na yi to fe ejina tu no eye ebia wo ware sema wo fam enema bebre timi ba wo brabo ma etimi ye hindrances in your life. True legends, men of God, omune ka ensema eka akoma, omune ka ensema ebubu akoma, omune ka ensema ema wotwa na wakoma atofom no watie. There are some people who are better now. I mean, I'm not being. We know what I say. We know what I say. This is what you are looking for. Nyankopon no the power no man no kura wan fa metena social media me hyping now. And yema be say, and some be say, words of encouragement be say, a footwo be say, preaching be say, and a Ghana we need to be started. And what's here started set ebiti. Before GHV, the name still remain above for bako. Yet sans and papa we na words of wisdom from a legend. I need to be celebrated. Me glance through me say on the video no omkoye donation be ma one woman be Beatrice Badu also accepted into my platform. God bless you, Beatrice. Also here on Facebook Live. Me say I was very glad when I saw that. And me say this is what the true men of God should start doing, because Ghana need them. Ghana needs the true legends to speak words of wisdom, speak words of knowledge. Said the bear on my Ghana a bit pija. But a bino instead of so bimbe cancel biti say ni bino. A bimbe trans social media. We no so my bino, we no so my say soft to me so fruit me beef. Or so person me no me be beef. Ade mo nkwa na mo sika. Mo nkwa na mo nyankopon de onhye ni na abegumo so. Edu level bia. Ghana is sick. And we need the men of God to speak. And when the man of God speaks, and some be saying no, what's he speaking? And I'm advising the youth, yenyi ya dreaming free social media hypes, you know, if yes was nega money, other kind of unnecessary things, you know, need focus on Christ, because with Christ everything is possible. The second person I want to honor, because before I start the program, now I honor, me say two legends in me honor Papa J. Now surrender me refuse surrender when I me kaya me ba surrender. Pastor Amwaben, God bless you, because I came there because of you and I met Papa J. And Papa J eswa sema okaya etoma kuma soa. I see said this man of God need to be celebrated. And so Papa J, we won Sunday yako dase, because there was a victory in our life. Our young brother got married until now. We went to the church, say, in the cost of preaching, the man of God started preaching. As he was preaching, was starting to say, in life, if you want something, just go for it. If you need something, don't fear, go for it. And advice or the man lady say, bema be no when it general now who's a bema way can make you happy, and you have the resource to help the man. Help him to progress, and he will be yours forever. If you're a man and you see a woman, now when you say this woman may pay, but the level is not to your standard, push the woman to your standard and pick it. There are so many people who take happiness, take comfort as happiness, but comfort is not happiness. Obi or how are comfortable, but he's not happy. The reason is he's with the wrong person. The person on anyone, Neninji, because or man is sick, or man dying, or man comfortable cars be but the person is not happy because he's living a comfortable life, but he or she is not happy. And if you want to be a happy person in life, the best thing is say, take what you want, grab it, polish it to your level, and take it. Yes, this is a legend speaking. The comparison I saw in them is one thing, humility. You see in them that humility spirit in them. Every man of God, there are three things I was on them. One, order, and farmer. So I was saying, my way when you mean the pabia. Just run away. Just run away. I had a privilege to go to Word of Knowledge Church. Before I went there, and on Sunday before the man of God best start to be preaching. Omu was section be a omu teach omu do mic. Nye de no do mic no. One need the church member ni nyina but to the same level. Na we di na adwena ba. Na we di na adwena ba. Na omu nyina de adwene asua de before ansa na obeba on the mantle, obeba on the pulpit to be preacher, obeba preach. All the church members get themselves involved in the work of God. This is what we have to do. Church is an organization, a contribution of ideas. Nyansan sebi eni baago fotrim. But then no, ubon say there were some of the churches in Ibuwa urema de so for neighbor no urema de no actually fie ba na no nko a oba ya no abel land. We are for the bo me ne nko ne apon ne yoko. It's high time. Ghana needs a legend. Ghana need men of God. Ghana need true men of God to rescue the nation. We should stop, bragging and start praising God. We should stop bragging and start raising the image of God. We should stop bragging and start, letting God's glory unveil. But now, what is happening? Once a social media we suffer one confu beef. Suffering in the fellow pastor a beef. Jealousy spirit are striking them. Until now, no. Zimbabwe, they were there and obi edi second wura sorry them. And need to start here was spread the whole church members and almost half of them in cold blood. This is the time now the men of God should preach and somebody go ni padwene many padwene ba from who say and there ewiase no unwu ya wonim di ubenya. What they motivating me and there me picking these two legends in this America and send me nyina calm the nerves of the youth. And my youth ni who say no matter the situation now, woman, God's time will come. Obi free class and now no, obi do the limelight. Obi so a limelight in waf hears. It takes 1,000 miles begin with the first step. 1,000 miles begin with the first step. No matter how you are, your time will come. This is what a true man of God should start preaching. And stop saying, Brahmin chain never jiwi, Nyankupo befam so I say, Nyami be say, Nyame. No, that is not what Jesus came on earth to do. See, I say a follower of Christ, we should behave like Christ like. And it's your friend, Christians, we are Christ like. Yen tu Nyamiana monibi. Yemu say on Ghana here. Nyamiana monani ni yetu nana. And ni yetu no. And there will be a journey on Unquano. I contract, and they are fat two legends near celebrating. God bless you, men of God. And I wish you all the best. Set Nyamedumano, on pushing you to the limelight. On Famunquan could do baby, Yamipeso could do. God bless you. And then you say, our leaders and our day happiness. But the mommy and Connie and Cotie, where Dubai ni Bruni. Asema wakai concerning Nigeria and Ghana. Listen
to this. Nigeria has oil before than Dubai. It's a history. They are more rich than us. They have agriculture, they have mining, they have everything, you name it, they have it.
Yes.
Am I right or wrong? When you have a true leadership, which we have nothing, but we have everything because we have the right leadership. That's the only thing you need, a right leader for your country, not corruption.
We need a right leader, not corruption. Wasi Dubai hono, uminishiru, fu engwano mo. But we're here in country Ghana, we have gold, diamond, manganese, everything we have it on our beck and call. But yes, still, oh my Ghana, we are bleeding. Oh my Ghana, we are suffering. Oh my Ghana, we are. Every day, and a doom so you a doom light in about 20. Press sir. You say, I said, DNT, was an way in our sea. Was it the only thing we need is a good leadership. When you have a good leadership and you have nothing, with good leadership, you have something. With good leadership, you know how to use your resources for important things. Sometimes, akora se come no ka chen so opege opemo adi na akoto gare bre na ni nyina ya aduane enso nanim besesa. When you get the right leaders to rule the nation laugh, the youth become happy, the youth become glorious, the youth become, I don't know what to say, but here and the youth ni nyina be aggressive, youth ni nyina sorry a ensema kese na ye ka, youth ni nyina sorry a atemdidie on social media and obia sorry a all ambassador, obia share the predicaments on social media. Senka, if the youth are busy doing something at the office, they wouldn't even get time to come and sit on social media lambasting. Yembisa se enkofo mu diewu omu kokoro no omu ya bone fosam kese o men yembisa on se eyesikafo ne ma no anase yehiafo ma yehiafo ne ma because e come de wo mu. If the nation groom the poor people to become rich, getting them jobs to do, Ghana will be a better place to live. And the ura saw them crying the Bible to her at the betchen. The reason is Ghana is sick. Ghana is sick. Ghana is sick. Because sikane wo, but what do you do with the money is our problem. And then minister Bako ko baby abon se VAT be 20 ne de shim. If you no one almost saying sa, the youth, the nation is bleeding and people are enjoying. Me ntie de broni ne kan. And penny for mu tu kwan, I know you travel a lot. Nti niema we nyina mu hu bi. Moko do Dubai a you go there say you are going to rest. Ye kwa the holidays. Adenti ne amundi holidays wo ye men. Because you know say Ghana here there is no resting place. Adentina aya mo yare a mo take medical care wa because when him say the drugs you are feeding X is not good drugs. So if you know say drugs ni good there, any president, minister, MP, bibia wo bia yare a taking medication e wa Ghana ni hu ni say ye nyina yetim ye nyina we are facing the same consequences. But to be say minister bibia yare no flying abroad. Ono ayare ya no afra abroad. But now no a lay person, poor person be ayare near the court. Even the health insurance na ye can it's not working properly. Health insurance na a only card. If you buy yare na person banu, you treating man who 20 year. You treat uba a man who 20 year to wo satisfaction. I bet you don't depend on the health insurance. Do cash and carry. And yes sir. Ubano ne hontono mo pampanifo mo bi pa mo disguise mo na mo nko government hospitals ne bi na mo nko hwe what is going on. Obi wo hospital bed kra wo ni bi wo da fom ye treat no nti bisa no say psychologically kra yare no kra nko because we need comfortable zone na the bed kra rest obi free hospital beba na ne honam nyina kra ye ne ya. This is the country we are living in. The rich people are enjoying and the poor people are suffering. The poor people are bleeding. The poor people are paying the rich. Because in Ghana here, the rich people, ministers, and any dignity, they don't pay light bill, they don't pay fuel, they don't do anything. But we the poor people now, we pay light bill, we pay water bill, we pay every bill, we pay even road and we pay. And now you levy as I become. You pick a leader to come and unload the burden of the people in the country. But now, as Africans, you leaders, into the limelight, for their comfortable zone. No more be relaxed or more be comfortable. Then we the people now you vote to my we will be suffering. This is the country we are living in now. I'm not being specific on any political party. From Kwame Nkrumah down up to the current president, the country Ghana is bleeding. And we need people, they will think for the nation, they will fight for the nation, and they will stand for the nation. Not for their personal gain. not for their personal gain, because Ghana needs. Yeah, no, I'm thinking about the future. Men, you're wrong. And then the be a while him when you be. But you say 20 years to come, your next generation no more baba normal life won't be for him. Yeah, from go government properties near the personal people or more from. They are taking the asset, and a certain president be free. So, we say na governmental institutions na one in China na government assets ni buha. They just grab it. No me the call. We say, is it the mother Ghana we want to build? Are we building it for our pockets, or we are building it for the nation? You rub Bruni Kroma, you who say Bruni, Jenny, my home. But the same people, you back Africa. Now, ye Jenny, your home, near neglected than Mother Ghana. This is why Mother Ghana is suffering. Mummy and Sam could see a man of God as a for kind about thief, political thief, and real thief. God, as well as the difference between a political thief and a real thief. Mommy and Kwanienti, what the man of God said.
Bag, your watch, and your jewelry, isn't it? But the political thief steals your future, your career, your education, your health, and your business. Number 2, the hilarious part is that the ordinary thief will choose whom to rob. But you are the one who choose the political thief to rob you. Because we choose them. We vote them. We blindly say we are not blind. Who is deceiving who? The ridiculous part of the whole issue is that we will fight to defend and protect our belongings from the ordinary thief. Is it not? But we fight each other to defend and protect the political thief. Is that not what we do? Because we fight. What is the difference between the ordinary thief and a political thief? Number 1, the ordinary thief steals your money, your bag, your watch, and your jewelry, isn't it? But the political thief steals your future, your career, your education, your health, and your business. Number 2, the hilarious part is that the ordinary thief will choose whom to rob. But you are the one who choose the political thief to rob you. Because we choose them. We vote them. We blindly say we are not blind. Who is deceiving who? The ridiculous part of the whole issue.
Who is deceiving who? Asama, this man of God that kind of a very powerful, was it? A political thief. And a Yeniankasa real thief alive. When native. The political thief, Yanyan Yakovo to man. No aba be steal your future, your education, your money, your resources in a any kukumuti. We blindly go to vote for them. Ya kate and any akotwamo thinking say we are not blind. Yanyan ye twaba, ye yimpen for maintenance so meboye. Umbedrua, they do what benefits them. No majaye forgetting say at the end of 4 years be any edi kukumuti ebeto abanama omo ene me ya say obi sorry say political party be sorry no mu di akire say I'm going to fight, I'm going to do this, mekwa ko for ballot box, mekwa ko yewe na say unfortunately ye pra no wu a say ni pa na wasan ka achi na waso say hwe ne funu na ba. Because the politicians, they are politicians, they just come in, get what they want, then they leave us ajar. They leave us ajar. The nation Ghana needs you, so protect yourself, protect your family, think about the welfare of the nation Ghana, and forget about the politicians, because they have their own personal gains. And then cars, look at the kind of cars they are driving. They are living a comfortable life, but this time around, we are living in a pandemic. Yes, so far. We are bleeding in Ghana. We are hungry, but they are enjoying life. And I remember the only thing I'm advising is as a man of God, preach the gospel. And when you preach the gospel and it touch the spirit, it touch the heart of the youth people will repent and God will give you the glory, because nyankopɔ be hu say enam wo so na sa krakra we sai so ye sofo so na be esintidua bi ma obi foforo se enam wo so nti onkwa sorry a nyankopɔn busa, because obaka say akora we so wo hwewo nti no ankwa sorry ensem bi wo ha ye difo ni bi ka doom the spirit of the youth, because obi kwa sorry ka kire ne say modern monko money future ne sa kind of sebi ensema doom the spirit of people mesramo mommy starting use words of encouragement. So they be the youth, omo, they will arise and shine. God bless you. My name still remain above 4 Bakope, and I'm very, very honored to be with you with this all. I think it's 30 minutes or 45 minutes now. Ghana loves you. OB4GH love you, and the whole nation loves you. We love you, and God bless you. Bye bye.